everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another unboxing video of my purchase from MS, and it is a really special Twilly that only comes during the Christmas season. So let's unbox this together. This Twilly is highly sought after and it's not easy to get because it is extremely limited. 100% silk material together with this amazing charm. You can only get this charm when you purchase this limited edition Twilly. Slightly a bit more expensive, but I think it's worth it because when you tie on your pumpkin, it is going to look really good. And I have purchased 2 pieces of it, so I have it here. And this is not available anywhere. It is quite difficult to get. And before I end this video, I would also like to show you what I got from my essay. Quite a number of perfume samples. Take a look. 6 other perfume samples. And another 4 over here. And of course, we have this. This is the vegetable sample. There you have it. Thank you for watching my channel. If you love this kind of unboxing videos for special items, do click on the like button as well as the subscribe button to follow more unboxing videos. Thank you, guys.